Today I came to break down how content creation can remove your life to poverty to standard life. If you believe, just subscribe to my channel, Prince Tech, and we go together. Today we are going to look at the facts and how this guy Bahati, who known as Kevin Bahati Kioko, popular as the name of Bahati. Okay, he is the singer, songwriter, and at this time he is a big content creator on YouTube, and his YouTube channel has more than 1.6 M subscribers. He is the one of successful content creators here in Kenya. Okay, here today my purpose is to show you the really power of content creation, how content creators can be success, and how content creation can take your life from poverty to rich. Okay, if you believe, let's go, guys. But before we continue, we are going to see the background of this guy to become a big content creator in this country. We are going to see the facts, okay? And if you are ready, let's go. Birth and loss of this guy Bahati, okay? He born in 1994. Bahati has besides maintained that he was orphaned at a young age after losing his mom when he was 7 years old. Following the death of his mom, he was raised at the ABC Children's Home in the Mathare slums of Nairobi. He attended Nakaela Boys High School in Rongai and St. Teresa's Boys High School in East High, where he completed his KCSE in 2011. Bahati broke in the Kenyan music industry with emotional gospel songs, most notably Ma, which honored his later mother. In 2015, he launched his own recording studio, Eastland Most Loved Records, which he closed in 2020, cutting last of support. In recent years, Bahati shifted from gospel to secular music, raising his like Pete, Young, and the album Love Like This 2021. Bahati is married to Diana Morris, and together they have 3 children. He is also a foster to a child he took from the children's home where he grew up. To be honest, I'm not here to explain his life, so I'm here to tell you how he grew and became the biggest content creator in this country. Okay, and if you are interested, let's go. Okay? To be honest, this guy was creating good music, gospel music, after he shifted to secular music. Is where he started growing. Okay, before he came in this game of secular music, he was not getting attention in Kenya. Okay, that's why he decided to quit gospel music to secular music, as you can see. Okay, but this even did not take him to his truly dreams. But when he got married to Diana, he is where he started getting his short contents, where he started creating romance short videos, putting them to the platform like TikTok and Instagram, even Facebook. This is where he started getting popular and more getting visibility on his people in Kenya. Okay, and he became a worldwide content creator because of his trustworthy in Kenya. Okay, him and his wife, they started creating short videos and more, and this is where he started getting attention. Okay, and this time he has about 1.6 m subscribers, and he owned 328 videos on his channel. His channels pays around, okay, as I said, his channel can get around 1.5k to 24k dollars in a month. Okay, on yearly estimated earnings can go around 19k to 294k dollars per month. This is amazing, and we are not putting around how much he earns on TikTok, Instagram, and his pages on Facebook. Okay, so this is how he started distributing his short videos with his wife and even kids. Okay, and this is how he became popular and getting attention in his content creation. And if you are imagining to be creating content on social media, okay, it pays, bro, it pays, and it makes you popular and known. Okay, if you are popular, you can't lose more. That one all knows. Okay, and let me tell you something. Okay, you can start as low as you can and become most popular. Okay, and don't say that I am having nothing to start with, because starting content creation don't need to start with too much. Okay, start with what you have. If you have Android phone, you can start with that. If you have a small portable camera, you can start with that. Okay, start whatever you have, start with that one you have, and the more you are growing, the more you'll be getting more quality equipment to use. Okay, and if you be successful, don't forget that I told you the best things you can start with in this life of content creation and become a big and rich man in this or your country with just this content creation. Many youth, many people, it doesn't matter you are grown up or you are still young, you can just do it. Okay, it is more comfortable with whatever age you are. Okay, and don't be ashamed, oh, I can't see myself on television. It's more many people, they say that I'm not enough to go around the social media because I'm not comfortable with it. You can be comfortable with it if you love it and be like, it's the life that you want. Okay, and it can give you more comfortable in this life. It's not a big deal. You can do it. You can still do it if you are admiring this life of content creation or this project life. Okay, thank you guys for being here. I was just telling you about the good things of content creation. Okay, if you want to be a big content creation, just make sure you have subscribed to this channel, Prince is Tech, and make sure that you have liked this video, share to your friend, and be entertained. And if you want to learn about content creation and how you can grow faster on these platforms, just make sure you have turned on notification bell so that every content that I'll be dropping on this channel, you'll be the first person to get it in the time. Okay, thanks bro, have a good time.